Good evening, Roaming Speed. This is Dennis. We're here in the garage. We have the JK once again in here, and we have a burnt out turn signal. So what that means is upgrade time. So JW speaker, ton on Amazon. Anywhere you look, there is LED tail lights for this thing. So with me being as cheap as I am, I said, you know what, I'm gonna try some Amazon specials. So stick with me. We're gonna unbox them, check them out, look them over, and get them installed. And we'll do one side and then we'll compare the light output and all that stuff and let you see the difference. But stick with me, here we go. All right, like I said, we did Amazon purchase on this. And so, check out what we got. These were, with the coupon that they run randomly, these were $94.99. They are, I think, yeah, X-Bright 4D. These are the smoked LED. But what's cool about these is that it has a 30-watt reverse light. So they're super bright reverse light. 50-hour lifespan, low power consumption, waterproof, and kind of a cool design. So instead of just replacing a light bulb, I decided to step up and give a new set of taillights. So a few instructions. We'll go over that as we're doing it. Taillight manual. I don't understand. I guess so you can tap in, but they should be pre-wired and everything, so we'll check that out. But let's pull these guys out. And so you can see, randomly I pulled out the right side, is that this is what we're going with. A little different, not too bad, but super bright reverse light. It's already got the factory connector. It's got the CAN bus cancellator for the LED, so it doesn't throw up any codes. It's waterproof. And so let's get them installed and we'll go from there, all right? So I'm lazy, so I'm going to use my DeWalt impact driver. If you guys don't have one of these, it doesn't have to be a DeWalt. It can be Harbor Freight, Milwaukee has one. All of the big brands have them now, but it's a great tool. I use it all the time because I don't want to use a screwdriver, and for this, just knock it out real quick. So we'll pull these 4 screws out. You have 2 longer ones and 2 shorter ones. So the shorter ones are on the outside and the long ones are on the so long ones on the inside, short ones on the outside. So not too much difference, but just that's a good reference to know that short ones, long ones. So this should just pull out like that. You have a connector on the back, which looks like we just have to push it in and down. So on this, when you pull it out, there's this little piece, just pinch it. Might take you a couple times and pull it straight out. And that's it. So once again, here's the difference. Alright, we'll drop that in there. The connector should be ready to go. Snap them in there. And quick tip, there's a little clips. They're not clips, but you need to slide it in first before you can put the outside in. So there it is. And so this one, the 2 short ones are just for the lens cover on this one. It's just for aesthetics, to keep the lens on the body itself. So we can get rid of the 2 short ones, take the long ones, and if everything worked out correctly, we just throw that in there, and we are done. All right, guys, so that was quick and easy. That first one we put in, just give you guys a close-up look at it. like I said, I mean, that was real time what I did, just a few minutes, and I already have one swapped out. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna turn the running lights on, headlights, do the brakes, let you guys see the difference in the brightness, and then do the reverse lights. Then we'll knock out the other side, and you know, realistically, without filming a video, you could probably swap these out in 10 minutes or less. So, especially with that impact driver. So that's my tip of the day, is get one of those impact drivers. They make everything so much quicker. All right, guys, as you can see, this is the factory light. This is the new ones we just got in. So I'm gonna jump in, I'm gonna turn the running lights on, hit the brake, do the reverse light, lets you guys see the differences, and then we'll swap this one out. So if you look, they're much, much brighter just off the drive or the running lights. So let's hit the brakes, see what those look like, and then fire up the reverse lights. All right, guys, so you can see that the big difference in this is just the light output, and it just cleans it up. It modernizes a little bit, and if anybody has a Jeep, you guys excuse the dirt. I know it's filthy. It's been raining in Tennessee, and this is just a hot mess. But I quickly wiped it down just so we could get a video. But if anybody has plastic, you see how bad my rear bumper looks? This is the seared coat. You go watch my video on this. This turned out terrible. I don't recommend seared coat, but check out that video on seared coat. And if you're not familiar with it, it's a black plastic treatment. But check out my video, I go over it all. But on this one is all about the lights. It seems like it's gonna be a good fit. So swap the other one out and we'll wrap up this video. All right, as you can tell, we got them both done, just a couple minutes. And they look really good. I even like the little clearance side marker lights. So, it looks really, really good. Both of them have it. So, just one more quick glance. I just wanted to turn on the flasher for you guys, let you check it out. Alright, Roaming Speed fans, there it is. The JK taillights, Amazon, $100 for the pair. At a quick glance, at a quick install, you can't beat it for $100. You know, it took 10 minutes total probably to install it. It cleans up the back of the Jeep, modernizes it to more of like a, I'd say like a JL type headlight or tail light. So we're gonna run them for a little bit, but like I said, 30-watt backup lights seem to be really, really bright. Easy install, quick, anybody can do this one. And I think they just look pretty awesome. So like, subscribe, comment, you know, leave a comment. I do read them and I will return as many as I can, but check them out. I'll leave a link to the actual lights in my description, and pretty good quality. So it's waterproof, great backup lights, got the CAN bus eliminator so you don't get a light. Some of the cheaper ones don't come with that, so they do throw up a code occasionally. So, but check them out, and see you next time.